This is a short video. I made a video about Nacho Finance the other day, talking about how a lot of the things look really good. Their social media, and it's not like crazy APY. It is high, but it's not like too insane. But one thing I did notice, it says KYC Rug Doctor. And I just mentioned that in the video. But what I did want to do is I did look it up to see what Rug Doctor actually said. So I did find them right here, and it looks like they did get a KYC by Rugdoc, and but you can see it says not eligible. So if you click on there, and this is how you can do part of your due diligence. One is looking at their social media, seeing if they have a lot of bots commenting, seeing how they talk to you and stuff like that, if they're like non-responsive when you have questions or if they explain stuff. Another thing is to look at the Rug Doctor. Another thing is to take their contract and look on the blockchain to see the money they have, and before they start and after they start, and see if things make sense to you. But anyway, this is what they did. I guess they did come here and get this KYC. Look, it says Algo Stable Fork of Tomb from Phantom. It is highly recommended that they conduct a full audit in order to fully ensure their community, as these code bases tend to be large and complex with various risk vectors. We reserve the right not to review exceedingly complex projects that would require tens of thousands of dollars of senior security analyst man-hours. Typically, these projects that deal with leverage, lending, so they're doing leverage trading, if you know what that is. It's like, you should look it up, but basically that doesn't mean you have all the money. It means you put in a little money and then you leverage it. It's a little bit like gambling, but I mean, some people are good at it, so I can't really say they might be good at it, but it is risky. Lending, so they're getting their money by loans. Options, derivatives, and anything that is overtly complex and which requires tons of peer reviews and audits from top audit companies. It's saying these projects that deal with, so they're kind of saying that that's how their Nacho Finance is made up of, these type of financial instruments. Since our resources are stretched thin and we don't have the funding for these type of massive endeavors, we may pass on projects that meet this level of complexity. Do your own research. So how risky they couldn't, they're saying that they use so many financial instruments that it's really complex that they actually couldn't rate this. So even though they came here to get this, that is kind of like a good sign. They are using like a lot of financial instruments that some of them could be risky, but it depends. It depends if they know what they're doing. So I'm not saying it's good or bad. I'm just saying that this is actually what their KYC by Rugdoc said. So I just wanted to show you how you can do your own due diligence, especially if somebody is claiming something. I mean, they didn't say anything. They just put that there, which is true. So I'm not saying that they did anything wrong. I'm not saying they do look like they have a good platform here. So I did want to show you how you can look those things up if somebody does put something there and you want to go check, like, what do they mean by that? And so this is what their review was. So that's how you can do it. And you can come here for any project, and here are all the blockchains. I picked Polygon because they were on there, and then I just searched it up. They were KYC. So yeah, so it's not like there's a lot of them that they can't they're not eligible, they say. And then some of them that tell you if they're low risk, some risk. There are some that say like high risk, and you can go like this. And look, medium risk. You can find a lot of things high risk. Yeah, so it looks like they're using a lot of like financial instruments. Also, like these new crypto things, they're all like new financial instruments in a way. So, yeah, I just wanted to show you how you can start doing your own due diligence on projects for a lot of people that are not aware of how to do it. So, that's just one part of it. And I hope you enjoyed this. And I still like Nacho Finance because they seem pretty good. I haven't invested in them, but it's something that I'm looking at. So I just decided to look at their Rugdoc. And if you're using them and you like them, can you comment below and tell me what you think of them? Thank you. Bye bye.